Hello. Oh, I started the video because I felt like I was about to start sneezing. Oh, whoa, that was big. Today has been a crazy allergy day. I've kind of been like this off and on all day, but more on than off. I actually just got home. I had to go to the store and get more tissues. So I'm gonna try to talk through some of these buildups, and these ones weren't because I had to sneeze really bad, but they've been kind of like very like tickly, like hitchy buildups today. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. I think that big one just kind of took all the fight out of me. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can definitely hear it. Like, hear the difference when I start to get tired. Oh, it's teasing. I'm just, excuse me. Oh no, I just need to get. Oh, whoa. That's the sound that it makes when it comes out of my mouth and my nose. If any of you guys can relate. That is the sound of too much air trying to make it through very swollen passageways. And it feels like it. They sound interesting, but they're definitely not my favorite in terms of how they feel. Whereas those don't hurt as bad. But they also don't clear me out as well. So, you win some, you lose some. Uh-oh. Oh. Hold on, I need a tissue. Oh no. Ooh. Now just rubbing at my nose. Probably too hard, but it feels so much better when I do, so. I can feel it again. Wait a second. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. That was weird. Are we done? Or do we have more sneezes? The jury is still out. And to think I was coming in here to take a nap. No. Uh-oh. I think I have more. What do I do? I do have more. Hold on, I'm gonna sit up. See, I told you.